C-Aire Compressors is always looking to challenge the status quo with our commitment to innovation. We are thrilled to introduce our new Baseplate fire protection compressors, coming in a 1/2 horsepower 244-gallon system or a 1 horsepower 600-gallon system. Our digital air maintenance device allows users and techs to properly set the system pressure in seconds. The AMD comes factory set at 10 to 20 psi and is adjustable from 5 to 55 psi. Our patent-pending leak detection shows techs and owners how many times the system has run in the past 24 hours and 7 days. This is a quick and easy way to quantify how leaky a system is. The S244 is available in 115 or 230 volts and comes with a removable power cord for instant programming. It is also lightweight at 75 pounds. Agents are available Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 Central Standard Time, ready to answer your call in 12 seconds or less to provide solutions quickly and easily for all your needs. We provide superior quality standards executed from design to delivery for each product, backed by no-hassle guarantees. We are committed to enhancing the fire protection industry using customer feedback, new technology, and industry trends to deliver innovative solutions to the market. Call our sales team today to find out more or set up a live demonstration.